Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Transportation. Minister, in June of 2013, the County of Renfrew published a business case for accelerating the expansion of Highway 17. In that report, it called on your ministry to identify the continued expansion from Shield Drive to the town of Renfrew in the province's 5-year capital works budget. Furthermore, it called on the province to roll out a predictable and multi-year program to fund the planning and implementation of environmental assessment updates, property acquisition and budget allocations of the continued expansion. The people of my riding understand that the expansion is not only essential for the local economy, but also one of driver safety. Minister, it's been over a year and a half since the county released its report. Will you tell us can you give us an update? Have you seen the report, and what are your comments?
Thank you. Minister of Transportation.
Thanks very much, Mr. Speaker. I want to thank the member from Renfrew, Nipissing, Pembroke for that question. I also want to commend him for his advocacy with respect to this particular issue, and also to say to the County of Renfrew for putting the business case for the accelerated extension of this particular highway forward. I want to make sure that they understand that it is obviously some great work that's taken place. I know there have been conversations in the past with other ministers of transportation regarding this particular project. Of course, Speaker, as the member opposite would know, the ministry understands the importance of this particular expansion, and we are committed to continuing to make improvements to this particular highway. So, for example, in 2012, as the member would know, we did finish the first phase of expansion from Regional Road 29 to Division Street. Phase 2 from Division Street to Shield Drive is currently under construction, and it's expected that this work will be completed in 2016. And beyond that, Speaker, in 2014-15, I think it's important to note our government is committing nearly $2 billion to expand and repair Southern Ontario's highways and bridges. I look forward to continuing to work with this member and his county on this important project. Thank you very much.
Supplementary.
Thank you for that reply, Minister, but we're speaking beyond Shield Drive, and I will say that your predecessor did identify this as a priority project, and I'm hoping that you will consider it the same. For a decade now, I've received a steady stream of emails, letters and phone calls to my office from concerned residents and municipal leaders around the issue of Highway 17. This is a key infrastructure project in Eastern Ontario. It's about local economic development. It's also an issue about public safety. I'll ask you again to accept the findings of the county's report for the accelerated extension of Highway 17 and give us a date when you'll be implementing them. We need to know what's going to happen beyond 2016 when the expansion to Shield Drive is complete.
Thank you. Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And again, I thank that member for his supplementary question. What I didn't get to say in the opening answer was that the environmental assessment for phases 3 and 4 have been updated. Property acquisitions and designation has been initiated. Timing of construction will depend on a number of factors, including detailed design, property acquisition, and additional environmental approvals. I understand why this is important for this member, for this county, and for this part of Ontario, Speaker. I referenced in my initial answer the nearly $2 billion that we're investing in Southern Ontario's highways. I have heard not only from this member, but a number of members on that side of the House, the member from Wellington Halton Hills, the member from Parry Sound Muskoka, and others about the importance of investing in crucial infrastructure. It's why, Speaker, we have the Moving Ontario Forward Plan, $29 billion over 10 years for transit, transportation, and other crucial forms of infrastructure. It is encouraging to hear members on that side of the House understand the enlightenment of our plan. I look forward to their continued support in the years to come. Thanks very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Question, the member.